Hello everybody. In this short video tutorial I'm going to show you how to sign up for the international exams preparation course that is available on Canvas. The first thing that you have to do is Hello everybody. In this short video tutorial I'm going to show you how to sign up for the international exams preparation course. The first you have to do is to go on canvas.instructure.com/login/canvas. I'm going to leave you the URL in the description of the video. Then you're going to click on Need an account. Necesitas una cuenta. It's free. You don't have to pay for the registration or for anything like this. Then you're going to click on I am a student. It's going to ask you for a code. The join code is 67APED. 67APED. It's going to be available on the description of the video as well. You're going to type your full name, and username you want, but remember that it's necessary that you keep it in mind, that you don't forget this. If you forget it, you're going to need to create another account, because there is no way to click on forgot your password, and there is no an email associated to this account. The password, you can type any password you want, repeat the password, and accept the terms and conditions, and let's begin. Comenzar a aprender. Okay, if you need to change your username because it's not available, you can do it. You have to do it. Okay, it's already in use, and there you go. Here, when you access the course, you're going to have the possibility to explore all the modules. The first module is a sample test for the TOEIC exam. There is a video with the description on how to take it. There are some modules intended for you to practice for the international exams, some video tutorials. And here in the menu you can have access to some forums, to your grades. You can contact some more people, and you can attend conferences. If you want to contact me, just click on inbox, and you're going to send me an email to this internal inbox that I'm checking on a regular basis. When you want to log out, just click on account and cerrar sesión. Next time you want to log in, just enter your username, not your correo electrónico, just your username, the one that you put there in the username, and the password is going to be the one that you decided to choose for this account. Thank you very much. If you have any further questions, just let me know.